We are doing a burping contest right now, and I'm doing it with my sister. So, Kayla might win, because I am not a very good burper.
Okay, you go first. I think you're winning.
Okay, go. That was a juicy one.
Yeah. Alright, ready? Ew, that was a big one. Alright, do one more, then we're done, okay? Alright.